Hey guys, Acid here, and I'm back with another LeetCode easy problem called subtract the product and sum of digits of an integer. So basically what we have here is an input of n, which is integer. For example, 234. For this problem we need to calculate the product of the digits in this number. So our digits is 2, 3, 4, and the product would be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, which is 24. And then we need to calculate the sum of these digits, which is 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 9. And at last we need to calculate the difference between this number, which is 24 minus 9 equals 15. Our output should be 15. Let's go over another example. N equals 4,421. Now we have 4 digits. The product would be 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 equals 32. And the sum of the digits equals 11. 32 minus 11 equals 21. That's our output. All right. Let's look at this in Google Colab. I'll add a few more lines. Okay, our input would be n equals 234. Our output should be 15. Before we calculate the product and the sum of these digits, we actually need this input to be in the form of a list of digits. Yeah, 2, 3, and 4. So how do we do that? Let's call this variable nums, and we want a list. Now we want a list of digits. Now if we convert this integer into a string, and we can actually loop over these characters in a string. So we convert it into the string. We now can loop over the characters, and characters in our case is 2, 3, and 4, the digits that we need. So to loop over, we say that we want I for I in stir n. But what this will give us, what this will give us is a list of strings, a list of characters. But we want not characters, we want integers. So what we can do is say that this is int, convert I into the integer, and now we have what we need, a list of digits. We'll store it in the variable called nums. Let's run it. Now next we want to calculate the product of these digits. So we don't have a built-in function that we can just call, for example, product, and call the method on this, or call a function on this list. We need to do some more work. What we can do is import a function called reduce. So from functools import reduce, and we also can do following to calculate the product. Reduce. In the reduce we need to give some function, some function, and then we can feed our list of digits into this function. So our function should be a function that multiplies all the digits in our list. So what we can do here is use lambda. Yeah, lambda will take 2 digits at a time, and it will multiply these digits. Okay, so let's see if it works, and then I'll explain it more. So it works. If you multiply 2 by 3 is 6. If you multiply 6 by 4, it's 24. So this works. So what's happening here again, guys, reduce takes a function and it feeds a numbers in our list. So first it will feed 2 and 3, and it will multiply it. Then it will take this product of multiplication 2 by 3, and it will multiply it by 4. So it knows that we want to multiply all these numbers because we put here, we told it here that we need a multiplication. If we want to sum, we can just put a plus sign here and see what happens. It summed all the numbers in our list. So if we take 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9. And for example, if we want to a difference of all these numbers, just put minus there, and it comes to 5, which is correct. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus 4 it will be minus 5. But in our case we want a product. Okay. Next we want sum of these numbers. Well, sum is very easy because we have a built-in function called sum, and we'll just feed into this function our list, and sum is 9, so this is correct. Actually what we want is 24, the product, minus the sum, minus 9. So what we can do to have less lines of code, we can cut this and paste it here. So if we run this, we got an answer 15, which is a correct answer. Yeah. Alright, so we have 3 lines of code. Yeah. First I will copy this import line over here into the LeetCode, and then I'll copy this line into our solution function, and I will copy this line. So what we need is return this. Yeah. Okay, let's run the code just to make sure it works before submitting it. Okay, it's accepted. Let's submit it. And it's accepted as well. If you like this video, please help me out and give this video a like, subscribe to my channel because there's more video coming. If you have any suggestions, leave in a comment on the structure of these videos, or didn't understand something from this explanation, just comment. I'll try my best to answer it. And if you have a suggestion for a problem that I should make a video on, just suggest it in the comment section as well. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.